Hi everyone, I'm Liana, senior artist from Sephora Marina Del Rey. Today I'll be showing you guys how to get a natural radiant complexion so you can be red carpet ready any day. If you want to learn how to get celebrity skin, stay tuned. So before I start this complexion, I've already done my eyes, and I have already prepped my skin, which is crucial in having a great complexion application. I'm currently obsessed with BECCA's First Light Priming Filter Face Primer. This primer is a game changer because it's infused with filtering luminescent pearls, which blurs skin, while vitamin E helps to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Up next is the Milk Makeup's Flex Concealer in shade Porcelain. I applied directly to the inner part of the under eye, then using my Sephora Collection brush number 38, I diffuse. For anyone who has ever been done dirty by creasing formulas, this is the concealer for you. Long-wear and cruelty-free, this concealer also helps to minimize fine lines. For foundation, I'm going in with Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Full Coverage Foundation in shade R230. This foundation has Flex Fit technology, which allows the matte formulation to move with your skin instead of against it. This foundation is perfect for anyone who's seen their makeup cracking during a long day. The 49 brush from Sephora Collection is actually a blush brush. The reason I like to use it is because it has more of an angled shape, which allows me to hug every corner of the face at the same time. I like to apply the foundation to the back of my hand, which allows the formulation to stay warm so I have longer to blend it in. Here I'm going in with the same concealer brush number 38 to apply foundation around my eyebrows. I also use this brush to hug any corner of my nose or usually around the mouth, that way I know that I'm getting coverage in all the right areas. I go in again with the Sephora Collection brush number 49 just to soften any hard edges that there might be in the complexion. For anyone who has more dry texture on their cheeks, this blush is for you. I'm using Milk Makeup's Lip and Cheek in shade Work. This formula blends seamlessly over skin and is easy to build. I love using Sephora brush number 47, which is angled and it fits perfectly into the recesses of the cheek, allowing you to contour with blush. I like to stipple this blush on to give a more soft, diffused look. Now I can get down on highlighter as much as the next person, but for red carpet skin, it's all about the soft sheen. Also for Makeup Forever, I'll be using the Ultra HD Soft Light Liquid Highlighter in shade 20, Pink Pearl. I'm using brush 47 again to just pack on the highlight. I'll also use just the tip of the hair in order to get around the brow and any other area I want to highlight. With a damp beauty blender, I go over the entire face just to push product into the skin. To have a more dense highlight in certain areas, I'm going in with Sephora Collection brush number 38 to pack on the highlight. Once again, I go in with the beauty blender to push the product in the skin. To allow my skin to read as skin, I'll be using the FENTY Beauty by Rihanna Invisimatte blotting powder. This powder changed my life. You can use it to touch up, but I like to use it to set my makeup because it helps to blur the skin and never cakes up. This product comes with its own sponge, which I save for touch-ups, but when I'm at home applying, I use Sephora Collection brush number 59. I use it on its side and do more of a press and roll motion. This powder is designed for all skin tones and is photo-friendly. I make sure to set all my liquid and cream products before moving on to powder because it makes them glide on easier without any streaking. Which brings us to bronzer. I'm using my favorite Sephora Collection bronzer powder in shade Los Cabos. The reason I love this shade is being so fair-skinned, it's really unrealistic that I'd be tan. So the shade of bronzer I'd use can't be too warm. For application, I make sure to angle from the top of the ear to the corner of the mouth just to support the concaves of my cheek. I generally go in heavy and use my number 49 brush to blend color back into my hairline. For my face shape, I generally keep the bronzer just to the temples because it helps to give my face a more oval appearance. And once again, I'm going in with brush number 47 just to blend out any harsh edges. Last but not least, I use the Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. You want to spray from about a selfie distance. I like to spray about 3 to 4 sprays so I know I have evenly coated my face. Because I love a good monochromatic look, I'm using the same Milk Lip and Cheek shade and Work on my lips. Using my finger, I just blend it on as if it were any kind of lip balm. Because I love a little bit of shine, I'm using Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer in shade Fussy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more videos just like this, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!